Astrology should not enslave, imposing a particular pattern of behavior, corresponding to the zodiac sign, and prescriptable by the basics of teaching. Its mission is to help understand the prerequisites for human development. A unification of astrology with astronomy and physics. In this book you will not find multiple descriptions of the astrological signs. Its purpose is somewhat different. Namely a circumflex to subsum under astrology the scientific basis, the physical and astronomical. Scientists do not accidentally fall into this occult science with skepticism and distrust. And how could it be otherwise when modern Western astrology offers as an explanation of the essence of the zodiacal influence completely illogical facts and conditions? This does not mean that it is not accurate the descriptions of zodiacal signs themselves. No, then they just close enough to the truth. But an interpretation of the reasons why the stars can influence a person looks completely unconvincing and very naive. Astrologers say that certain emanations coming from stars can influence on a person. Moreover, this effect is so significant that causes differences in the characters and the psychophysiological characteristics of organisms of people born at different times of the year. But astrologers themselves realize that stars as sources of electromagnetic radiation, photons, are too weak and very far from us, that this radiation cannot be taken into account. So this question it is accepted to neatly hush up and sidestep as an acceptable scientific explanation has not yet been proposed. Here and there, astronomy and physics are separately, and astrology is separately from them. Scientists laugh and do not recognize it for science. Astrologers stoically withstand criticism, often not paying attention to it, and continue to believe the tenets of their teaching. But it cannot continue further. Both sides lose more due to the lack of association of both areas of human knowledge. The truth, as always, lies in the middle. Astronomy and physics can learn a lot of valuable information from the analysis of the astrological postulates. Astrology, in turn, is in dire need of a scientific basis, which will turn it from a mythological discipline into the academic. Astrology, without scientific evidence, is recognized and used by most people in the world. If we rationalize the meaning of its effects, then it'll get a powerful reinforcement in the face of figures of official science. Synthesis of science and occultism is needed, and for that we are here and write this book.